Hello and welcome to my channel, all of you. Today's grammar topic is adjective. There will be multiple choice question and each question carries 1 mark. Okay, so let's start solving the question together. The first question is, which word is an adjective? Here are your options. You have to find out which of these options is an adjective. Your options are apple, red, run, eat. These are the 4 words. Can you identify which word is an adjective out of these 4 words? Is apple an adjective? No. Is red an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective. Okay, red is an adjective, so option B is the correct option. Let's move to the second question. Second question is, choose the describing word. Here you have to choose the word which is describing something. Okay, this is the sentence. The tall boy is playing. Okay, so which is the describing word in this sentence? Okay, is it option A boy, option B is or option C tall, or option D playing? Which is the describing word out of these 4 options? Choose your describing word. Describing words are words which tell something. Which is the word is telling you something? Is it option A boy? No. Is it option B is? No. Is it option C tall? Yes, it is. It is telling the boy is tall. So the word tall is describing the boy. So the describing word is tall. Option C is the correct option. Okay, if you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay, because each question carries 1 mark. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is the adjective in this sentence? Your sentence is, she has a small puppy. Now, can you identify the adjective in this sentence? Your options are has, puppy, small, she. These are the 4 options. Now, quickly identify the adjective in this sentence. Is it option B? Sorry, is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? Which one is the correct option? I know all of you are very smart kids. Now all my smart kids are going to tell me the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? It is option C, small. Okay, this is the adjective in the sentence. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, which word tells about color? Okay, here are your options. Green, box, pencil, dance. Very easy question, isn't it? Now tell me, out of these 4 words, which word is telling you about the color? Is it option A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Which one is telling about the color? Which word is telling you about the color out of these 4 options? Yes, you got it right. Is it option A, green? Because green is a color. Okay. Okay, let's move to next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, which sentence has an adjective? Now, there are 4 sentences given. You have to identify which one is having adjective. Okay. The first option, the cat sleeps. Next, he runs fast. Next, I like the blue ball. And the last, she is eating. Now, carefully go through all the sentences and look for the sentence which is having an adjective. Okay, read all the sentence once again and I'm sure you all will be able to get the correct answer. So can you identify the sentence which is having an adjective? Is it option A? No. Is it option B? No. Is it option C? Yes, it is option C. This is the correct option. This is a sentence which is having an adjective. And which one is an adjective? Blue over here is an adjective. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, choose the correct adjective to fill this blank. The girl has a dash dress. Which word should I fill over here? Options are happy, fast, pretty, walk. Which word should I fill over here? Should I fill The first option, happy or fast or pretty or work. Which word will come in this plan? It is option C. The girl has a pretty dress. Okay, if you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Find the adjective. It is a hot day. Can you spot the adjective? Yes, it's already done for you. That is option C, hot. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. What is the describing word in this sentence? The elephant is big. Okay, so what is the describing word in this sentence? Is it elephant? Is it big? Is it is or is it the? Look at the sentence carefully, look at the option, and I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. Which is the describing word in this sentence? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is it? It is option B, big. Here with the word big is describing an elephant. So big is a describing word. Okay. Let's move on to question number 9, which is pick the sentence with an adjective. These are the options. We play in the park. She sings. He is a clever boy. And the last they jump. These are the 4 sentences. Now you have to pick the sentence which is having an adjective in it. So go through your sentence once again and choose the sentence which is having an adjective. So, is option A having an adjective? He play in the park. Does this sentence has an adjective? No. Okay, the second one, she sing. Does this sentence has an adjective? No. Next one, he is a clever boy. Is this sentence having an adjective? Yes, it is. Clever is an adjective over here and this is your correct option. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is the last question. Okay, question number 10. Which word is an adjective? Here you have been given 4 words. You have to identify which one is an adjective. The options are dog, sweet, eat, table. These are the 4 words. Quickly identify the word which is an adjective out of these 4 options. Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my videos useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay, coming back to the question, this is the question. Quickly identify the correct option out of these 4 options. Okay, is option A dog an adjective? No, because it is a noun. Okay, is option B sweet an adjective? Yes, it is. Sweet is your correct answer. Okay, with that we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.